from C to G with your both hand. Let's see the finger numbers from right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put 1 on middle C, 2 on D, 3 on E, 4 on F, 5 on G. Let's see the left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put 1 on G. This is middle C. C, B, A, G. 2 on F. 3 on E. 4 on D. 5 on C. Let's play both hands with the same finger numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go from 5 to 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great. So let's play the music. We play 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 5, 5, 5, 3 tapping, and 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3 tapping, 1, 2, 3. Let's play together. 1, 2, 3, 3 tapping with 5. 1, 2, 3. From 5 to 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 3 tapping. 1, 2, 3. Great. Let's go one more time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3. Try again.